Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a drop-down list in Excel. Here you can see two tables appear here. At first table, when you click mobile brand rows, you can see sidebar a one drop-down list appear here, and when you click on it, and this type of text coming here, and you can insert this text automatically in your row. Okay, and this column is just simple column, and we make it a drop-down list. Okay, at first select which row you want to create a drop down list. Just select it and go to data tab and find out data validation options and click data validation options, and this type of function or option coming here, and we generally use allow options. Click this drop down icon and select list options. Okay, and you can write as an example Vivo, Oppo, whatever you want to write, and this value is appear here when you can bake your column. Okay, and here you can see when you click your any individual row, and this type of drop down icon appear a separate row. Okay, when you click this drop down option, and you can choose your text if you insert your row. Okay, just a Vivo, I want to just like this. Okay, so I hope you can understand how to create a drop down list in Excel easily. If this video is helpful for you, you can share your friend timeline or subscribe our channel for better next video. Thanks for watching.